Looking at Lydia's work for Wal Pawb, we can see that she uses these lovely big squiggly lines and shapes. She also uses line drawings too. So today we're going to combine these elements and draw our own scenes with just one single line. A single line drawing is a simple way to get shapes that we see down on paper without taking your pen off the page. A few tips for this is to 1. Use a pen so that you can't rub it out, and 2. Don't worry about how messy it gets, that's the fun of it, just focus on the right shapes. Okay, so step 1. Make sure you have everything together you're going to need. Your exhibition or your chosen shelf. Some A4 paper, I'm using coloured, it can be any colour, and A4 is best for the next activity. You will need your pen or pens to draw with. You will need something to lean on. Step 2. So first, we're going to begin by looking at our scene, the exhibition or the shelf. Right now, without a pen, we are going to try and draw a line with our eyes around everything that we can see. This will get us warmed up for the drawing. Step 3. We're ready to put pen to paper. I'm going to begin with this squiggle on the left here. I'm being careful not to take the pen off the paper. If I did by mistake, I'd just go straight back to where I lifted the pen off. Make sure you get all the shapes in. Okay, I'm done. Step 4. So now that I've done the first line drawing, I'm going to pick up another coloured pen and do the same on top of my first line. That's us done our single line drawing in 2 colours. And I'll ask that you keep this handy for the next activity. If you enjoyed this, keep going, it's a good exercise for practice and drawing.